Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best Jeep bumpers on Amazon. Jeep bumpers are a part of adding a great look to your Jeep. This component also adds extra protection to your engine and headlights in the event of a collision. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Lidkingdomus front bumper with winch plate. Our honorable mention spot belongs to the Lidkingdomus front bumper with winch plate. This bumper is designed to fit 2007 to 2018 Wranglers, and it features heavy-duty steel construction. It comes with 4 LED lights already installed in the bumper that give your Jeep a unique look and style. This has some features worth talking about. We like the D-ring mounts that it comes with. We also like that it has lighting installed inside of the bumper, keeping your Jeep's front end more streamlined. Also, the powder coating appears to be of good quality, with Lidkingdomus stating it uses a 2-stage finish. The winch plate is plenty strong, allowing a 12,000-pound winch to mount securely to the bumper. Installation of the bumper is easy as it comes with all the hardware and installation instructions you'll need to get started. Installing the bumper may be easy, but if you don't have a wiring harness, the supplied lights will be a different story. Number 2. Nilite 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK front bumper. The Nilite front bumper is designed to fit 2007-18 Jeep Wrangler JKs. It's made of 5/32 mild steel plating and is covered in an epoxy pre-coating and high-quality textured black powder coating for durability. The bumper has a winch mount that can accommodate a 12,000-pound winch, and it comes with 2 3/4-inch pin D-rings that can support 9,500-pound loads. Installation is simple, it bolts on using the factory holes, and no drilling or cutting is required. All the holes should line up, and it's a very straightforward setup. Mounting hardware and instructions are included, and you can also install OEM fog lights into this bumper without modifications. Overall, this bumper is sturdy, solid, and it looks sharp. However, there have been some complaints that the package doesn't include the hardware for fog lights. Number 3. Smittybilt Black XRC front bumper. The Smittybilt Black XRC front bumper is designed for Jeep Wrangler 2007 to 2018 JKs, including those with the vacuum pump inside the front frame. It's designed to provide optimum protection and features a 3/16-inch solid plate center section that safeguards the frame horns and lower crossmember when off-roading. The bumper includes a built-in winch mount and can hold a winch with a 15,000-pound rated line pull. Other features include a one-piece welded design, a solid D-ring mount that's welded inside and out, raised corners for optimal entry and exit in extreme conditions, and a 2-inch overrider and wings constructed of 2-inch wall tubing. Users report that the welds are solid and it's easy to install. It also provides a more aggressive look over stock bumpers. One downside is that you may need to drill holes in the crossmember for the bottom bolts for a proper fit. Also, there have been complaints that there isn't a spot for fog lights. Number 4. EIG Steel front bumper with winch plate. If you're looking for a Jeep Wrangler bumper for an affordable price, look no further than the EIG Steel front bumper with winch plate. Our choice for the best value Jeep bumper fits all Jeep Wranglers, TJs, and EIGs from 1987 to 2006. It's made from heavy-duty, high-quality 5/32-inch cold-rolled steel and features a 2-inch bar for extra protection. The EIG is a very capable bumper at this price point. The steel that it's constructed from is of good quality, and the winch plate is designed for a 12,000-pound unit. We like the black powder coat finish as it's both attractive and durable. There are mounting points for extra lighting, and the pre-runner style bull bar adds some style. Still, there are a few issues to be aware of with our value choice. Number 5. eAutoGrill's Jeep Wrangler JK Rock Crawler front bumper. Our choice for the best Jeep bumper overall is the eAutoGrill's Jeep Wrangler JK Rock Crawler front bumper. This bumper fits a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler and features 5/32-inch thick mild steel construction. It also features 2-inch steel tubing for added protection and function. The EIG Rock Crawler has a lot going for it. We like that this Jeep Wrangler bumper has a textured black powder coat finish that will protect the bumper for a long time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.